Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together.
The farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell.
A.
The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
C.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes
D.
the child, hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child.
E.
The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse, hi-ho the
F.
dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow,
G.
the nurse takes the cow, hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow.
H.
The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog,
I.
hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
J.
The
K.
dog takes the cat, the dog takes
L.
the cat, hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat
M.
takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse,
N.
hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse.
O.
The mouse takes the
P.
cheese, the mouse takes the cheese, hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes
Q.
the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone,
R.
hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
S.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
T. U. V.
Do you
W.
know the muffin man, the muffin man, the muffin man?
X.
Do you know the muffin man who lives on Drury
Y.
Lane?
Z.
Blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
A. A for N.
Do you know the muffin
B.
man, the muffin
B for banana.
man? Do you know the muffin
C.
who lives on
C for car.
Lane?
D. D for drum. E. E for eagle.
Do you know the muffin man, the muffin
F.
man, the muffin?
F for frog.
Do you know the muffin man who lives on Drury Lane?
G. G for giraffe. H. H for horse. I for igloo. J. J for jelly. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lamp. M. M for mouse. N. N for nurse. O. O for owl. P. P for pencil. Q. Q for quilt. R. R for rainbow. S. S for snake. T. T for turtle. U. U for unicorn. V. V for W. W for whale. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zoo. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.